Alright, the only tools you're really going to need for this is a 17mm Allen key right here, probably some type of extension, ratchet, and then also optional torque wrench. You also need 3 to 4 quarts of ADW90, some type of drain pan right here, and then probably some rags. It's probably a lot easier with the back lift wheel off, but you do it with it on there. There's the drain bolt right there, but before doing that, best practice is to get the fill plug off, which there it is right there. What you need for that is a 17mm Allen, and it came right off. This one does not have a magnet on it, but there it is. So now from here I'm just gonna get the drain plug off. I was surprised with the color. Most of it was pretty light. You see a lot of dark stuff sitting on the bottom. It's probably just because this hadn't been driven in a couple months. Been traveling for work and all that. But this is the magnetic side. You can see there's a little bit of sludge built up on there. So there's that right there. I wouldn't have any issues with the transmission. It's just been over the course of about 8 years that I haven't changed it. So I figured it'd probably be good to just go ahead and do it while I'm doing some other maintenance on it. Don't get these mixed up. This is the fill right here, and then this one right here is the drain. It's got that magnetic piece on it right there. So you can go ahead and reinstall this one. Torque specs on these: for the drain plug, 22 to 25 foot-pounds, and then for the fill, 14 foot-pounds. Alright, so now you just fill it back up. This is kind of a tough angle to get going with these bottles, so this is where it might be easier with the wheel off, but we'll make it work. Alright, you know it's full when it starts spilling out. You can see it's still kind of coming out even after I wipe it. It means it's filled up. So it's an easy way to tell. I ended up using 2.5 quarts. I think it should take over 3, so probably didn't get all of it drained out just because of the way it's sitting right now. I've got the back end jacked up, but either way, this right here means it's full, and you can go ahead and put the fill plug back in.